Hey y'all, I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to see how we can apply filters to our visualization. So let's begin. So first I will pick the state to the columns and then I will bring sum of sales to rows. So this gives me a bar plot. I will just sort it. And this gives me a bar plot of sum of sales of each state. But you see that there are too much of information and I just want to know that which are the top 5 states, and I don't want a visualization that carry the other information other than that. So simply I will go to the states capsule, that is the blue capsule, and here I see a filter selection. I'll click on it and then I get a window of this kind where I can select from a list of values that are categorical, but this is very general. Then there is a wildcard option if this contains something, starts with, end with, something like that. And then there is a condition if by field, if sales is equal to, greater than, less than a particular value, or you can have your own formula. But we also don't want based on a condition, we want the top 5. So we will select this one by field, top rank, and I will select enter a value, and instead of 10 I will change it to 5. The field is correct. Yes, I want it by sales. Aggregation is also correct. It's sum. And then I'll apply it and then I'll click on OK and I get the filtered states with top 5 states. And this is already sorted out because we earlier saw this bar plot already. So this is a very simplistic way of understanding how we can apply filter to our visualization. Now, suppose for example, if we want to add another filter or we want to filter it based on a particular condition on the rows, that is the measures, what we will do is we will click on this green capsule, click on filter, and then I will see some continuous values in it. So I can change it to say for example 150 0 and 0 0. So this way I get some sliding filtering to it. I can do it with the slider as well, and there are other tabs, you can explore them. These are pretty obvious as they have mentioned it. And then I will apply it and then I will click on OK. This way I get further filtered based on the sum of sales. And if I want this particular filter, say for example I want the sum of sales to be shown on the sheet, then I will just right click on it and I will select show filter. So this way I will get a slider kind of filtering over here as well. So this was all about filtering in this video. I will upload more videos on such scenarios where you can utilize and apply it, such kind of concepts in your day-to-day tasks on Tableau. So please do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.